4K POV camera review. Zowietek 4K POV Zoom Camera NDI HX3 Real workflow results. Ever tried mounting a full-size camera in a tight corner and instantly regretted it? I once froze mid-setup when the tripod blocked half the stage view. Total chaos. In small studios, classrooms, or churches, space disappears fast. Big cameras feel clumsy. You know that frustration, right? Clean framing shouldn't require rearranging the entire room. So you try smaller cameras, but then image quality drops, or cables multiply. Suddenly there's pressure, clutter, and that low-grade overwhelm of adapters everywhere. I've seen setups where 3 converters dangle just to get a stable feed. It works, technically, but it's messy. There has to be a cleaner, smarter production path. Then everything changed when I found the Zowietek 4K POV Zoom Camera NDI HX3. Don't just pick any POV camera. Make sure it has true NDI HX3 integration so you never waste time on extra capture cards and messy signal converters again. The first time I mounted it, the compact metal body disappeared into the set, yet delivered crisp 4K UHD video from its Sony sensor. Here is what surprised me. The 3x optical zoom with fast autofocus made reframing effortless without swapping lenses, while HDMI, SDI, and NDI outputs worked simultaneously for monitoring, switching, and network streaming. PoE allowed power and data through one Ethernet cable, instantly reducing clutter. During a live workshop, a presenter shifted positions unexpectedly, and the autofocus locked in smoothly without panic adjustments. That stability matters. Local TF and NAS recording add backup security, and UVC mode lets it double as a high-quality webcam when needed. Can you imagine simplifying your entire workflow with one small camera? That shift changes how you design a setup. After weeks of use, the Zowietek 4K POV Zoom Camera NDI HX3 starts feeling less like a specialty tool and more like infrastructure. You mount it once, power it over Ethernet, and it simply works. On production forums, users consistently highlight the simultaneous HDMI, SDI, and NDI outputs as a major workflow advantage. One AV reviewer noted that the NDI HX3 support dramatically reduces cable clutter in multi-camera church installs. A streaming influencer mentioned how the compact form factor allowed unique gaming angles that larger PTZ cameras couldn't capture. I've also seen classroom setups where direct RTMP or SRT streaming removed the need for a dedicated PC at the podium. Some people hesitate because advanced features like NAS recording or web-based control sound technical. In practice, the Zowie UI interface is straightforward, and once configured, daily operation becomes routine. Results may vary depending on network infrastructure, but stability has been consistent in controlled installs. Quick check. Would fewer adapters and cleaner cable runs improve your setup? Over time, the benefit isn't just image quality. It's calmer production days, fewer failure points, and more confidence when you go live. The Zowietek 4K POV Zoom Camera NDI HX3 gives you 4K clarity, cleaner wiring, and flexible streaming control in a body small enough to fit almost anywhere. Many creators, AV teams, and educators are already building streamlined IP workflows around cameras like this. Results may vary based on environment and configuration, but the workflow simplification is real. You'll find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment with full disclosure. Take a closer look and see how it could refine your next production.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.